Write as a mixed number. All we have to do is ask how many times can 6 go into 172. We could do this by hand. We could actually, write out the multiples of 6 and everything like that. A nice way of doing this is using a calculator. We do 172 divided by 6, and that gives us 28 a bunch of 6's indefinitely. So we're going to kind of ignore the decimal portion and just look at the 28. We know 6 can go into 172 28 times evenly. So we go 6 times 28. 6 times 28 is 168. Now all we have to do is take 172 minus 168 gives us 4. What that tells us is that 172 is 28 and 4/6. This isn't the correct answer because 4/6 can be reduced by 2. So we get 28 and 2/3. This 28 came from this number here when you type it in a calculator. It's always going to be the case. And all we're doing here is finding what is the top portion, because the 6 will always be in the bottom portion there. And then reduce. 28 and 2/3. Improper fraction. This is easier than going the other way. We do 4 times 8, which is 32, plus 1, which is 33, and you always keep the same denominator, which is going to be 4. Another one. 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 5 is 47. And you always leave it over the same denominator. All right, rewrite the mixed number as an equivalent fraction with the denominator equal to 12. All right, 1/1/6. We can first change it to a improper fraction. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. But we want it to be over 12. Well, 6 times 2 is 12, which means 7 times 2 is 14. So 1/1/6 is the same thing as 14 over 12. 28 over 36 in lowest terms. What can go into both 28 and 36? Well, we know for sure 2 can. Gives us 14 over 18. This can be reduced further by 2. 7 over 9. 7's prime, 9 is 3 times 3. There's no common thing there. So 7 over 9 is the lowest terms. Which is larger? It's going to be easier to make these improper fractions and then get common denominators. That's going to be the best, probably the fastest way to check these. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7/5 or 6/4. What's the common denominator between these two? Well, 5 and 4 can both go into 20. 5 times 4 is 20, and 4 times 5 is 20. 7 times 4 is 28. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 times 5 is 30, and 4 times 5 is 20. And now you can see 30 over 20, which was 6 over 4. That is a larger fraction.